Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to edit your header in WordPress Elementor. So the first thing you'll have to do is create your header. So the first thing you'll have to do according to them in Elementor right here is go to WP admin. Once you've done that, locate your templates and then press theme builder. So here in theme builder, you'll be able to make your own theme basically, and it's really that simple. So let's head back right here. So we have a different type of site title right here from the theme builder because I am not using premium. Therefore, I can't navigate to that section right there. So I'll just guide you through this guide by Elementor themselves. So you'll have to navigate to the templates, theme builder, press the header right here. From there, you will have to go and check out the blocks and check out header right here. So let's just zoom in right here and then look for header and then create your own header right here, or you can edit. So you can choose a pre-designed one right here and then you can exit it if you want to. And then from there, once you have selected the header that you want, all you have to do is publish it and then you'll be on your way, and it's just that simple. So that is how you edit your header in WordPress Elementor.